In any investment market, there are very few people in the world who can take advantage when a great deal is offered to them. This is Arvind Jain, a lawyer turned property and cashing expert. I help crorepati's multiply their lands by 10x using my fantasy system. There's a popular story in Rajasthan which explains this concept. Many times we get great deals. For our properties, we get a great price. Some properties we are offered at a very cheap price. But many times during such moments, our brains stop functioning and we start doubting the situation. And we become more greedy, and maybe we may get a still better pricing, and we try to postpone the deal and we lose the deal. This has happened to thousands of people in the real estate market. I have lost many great deals in areas like HSR layout, in areas like RR Nagar during the initial days of my property investment. Whenever a great deal comes to you, do the basic due diligence and quickly grab it. And if you don't do it, this is what is going to happen to you. This is a story of a jeweler who was roaming in a village fair of somewhere in Rajasthan. So in this fair, there was one trader who had a very poor trader, and he had set up a small shop of stones. He was selling different stones. So suddenly one particular stone caught the jeweler's attention. He went to the small trader and asked him, what is the price of that stone? The trader said 25 rupees. The jeweler asked him for 15 rupees. He tried to persuade him to give it to him for 15 rupees, but somehow the trader refused, and the jeweler just left the shop and he went away. After half an hour roaming around the fair, the jeweler came back to the trader and he offered him again to pay him 20 rupees. Again, that small trader, he was very adamant, less than 25, nothing doing, I'll not give you anything less than 25. If you want, you take it, also leave it. Again, the jeweler tried to persuade him for some time. They had a small quarrel and the jeweler left. After half an hour, again roaming around the fair, the jeweler came to the trader and asked him, okay, I'm ready to buy it at 25, give me that stone. The trader looked at him. He said, boss, that is already sold and gone. The color of the jeweler's face just changed. And he told him, my goodness, that stone was worth more than 1 crore. How much did you sell it for? The trader coolly replied, I sold it for 25 rupees. And if you really think it was worth more than 1 crore, the second time you should have picked it up at 20. Why didn't you pick it up? This happens to most of us. Maybe we do not get such great deals, something worth 1 crore for 25 rupees, but many times we get offers like this, or something worth 20 lakhs, we get it for 13 lakhs, something worth 1 crore, we get it for 75 lakhs, or something worth 2 crores, we get it for 1.25 crores. There are many such offers we get in the real estate market, and many times these offers are traps. If they are sold by people who are totally strangers to you, whose credibility are not aware of it, there's a very good chance that it could be a trap. But if your gut feeling says that the person who's selling you, he is genuine, then you should quickly grab that deal. If you try to waste your time negotiating and trying to further crush the prices, or trying to get further better prices than what great offers you already have, you will miss the deal. So I have made many videos in which I have trained you to negotiate at a slow pace and bring down the prices or raise the prices depending on whether you're a buyer or a seller. But this particular video, I'm telling you a very reverse strategy. When you get a good deal and you're very confident that over a period of time you can make quick bucks on that deal, you can make a lot of money in that deal, you can make a fortune out of that deal, go and grab that deal. Do minimum due diligence, do only the due diligence that is needed, put a good lawyer on it, tell him to complete the due diligence very fast and buy that property as fast as you can property, or sell your property at a great price as early as possible. Because I can tell you, when Bangalore airport was announced at a new location in Devanahalli, there were many farmers who got a great price for their lands, but they said, no, we will get a much better price. And finally that project was again cancelled for some time. And all the offers which they got, which were almost 100 times the prices which are running in the market, they lost all those offers. Again, airport was announced 12 years later. But after 12 years, again, they got those prices. I doubt it. They would have It would have taken another 20 years for them to get back those prices. Most of the farmers who left the deal at that time, they had to wait for another 20 years to get back the same prices. This is Arvind Jain, a lawyer turned property and cashing expert. Continue to watch my videos. I'll show you many more ways by which you can build a lot of wealth using land. Have a great day.